Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you solve guys your Bluetooth network problem in your Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to solve guys your Bluetooth network problem in your Xiaomi phone, so guys you can solve it. And guys, now let's see how to solve Bluetooth problem in our Xiaomi phone. So guys, when you connect any device guys, it do not connect, it disconnect. Like that guys, you have problem in your Bluetooth setting. So guys, you can reset your Bluetooth setting and guys then you can use your Bluetooth setting. So guys, now let's see how to reset a Bluetooth setting in Xiaomi phone. First of all, guys, open your phone setting. Then guys, scroll. Guys, you can see your connection and sharing option. So tap here. Again, scroll, guys. You can see your reset setting. So guys, tap here. Guys, you can see your Bluetooth setting. So guys, we will tap here to reset. Then guys, your Bluetooth setting is reset. And guys, you can see your Bluetooth is on. Then guys, you can operate your phone guys with your Bluetooth setting without any problem. After that guys, you have any problem in your Bluetooth setting, so I don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number and guys send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you friends. Bye bye, thanks for watching.